Miss Gemma. All right, Gemma. They're saying that you're learning to, oh my God, and then you're learning to correct. They said, so they're pointing out the correct. And they said that if you want to start correcting, it is to feeling the helplessness, which means that you have to, there's two things. I'm helpless because of the shit that happened. Helpless. But you also have the other part, which is, oh, I need to deprive myself so I don't have to be helpless. But that means that it's creating a lot of mixed messages within your body. And so then when you start to deprive yourself, then you go defensive and it feels just as if you were helpless. So they want you to heal this. And I said, well, they want you to heal it by holding R1S, which is about noticing how you got to correct yourself. So you about ready to correct, redefine them. Am I choosing to deprive myself, or do I just actually feel helpless because somebody has taken my power? Okay. Amanda. That's not what the word says. I see the word tiredness, but it says tanking. And I'm not them. Okay. So your reaction, you're stuck in this, that your reaction is tanking, whether you're tanking yourself or whatever, or you want to stop when people manipulate. And there's a cue. There is a cue. Somebody cues you to, it's like finding your button, pushing it, and all of a sudden they probe you to start to get you what they want. And they do that because you have a lot of shyness energy. And so therefore what they want, they learn to, okay, I'm just going to push this button and I'll start to make her self-conscious and I will start to get what I want. And it's not that they're being, they're not bad, except for the fact is you need to heal this out. So do R2D.